Welcome to our Chivers Realty Map Search tutorial. When you arrive at jciversrealty.com, you have multiple options to begin your search. On the upper navigation, you can select Property Search. You can also choose the We Know a Place for You, Find It Now button here, or you simply go down to select the map search here. Following that link, you will arrive at the jcrlake.com map search interface. As you can see, there's multiple properties visualized on the map. They have different colors to identify the property type. If you would like to change the map view, simply click on the map with your cursor, hold the left button, and move the map accordingly. For faster loading times, we added the feature to update your results once you arrived in the area you would like to search. You can change your search criteria by selecting the search button on the upper right and choose filters. For example, you want to look for land or lakeshore land only. You can also select a minimum price range and a maximum price range and many other features. Then you simply select the Submit button. And on the map, you have only those properties visualized. You then can choose the Show List option, and here you see images of the properties that are currently in your map view. You can see how the list also moves to the chosen property here. If you would like to see further details, you simply click on the list and you have a selection of available pictures, and you have the address, price, MLS number, and the description, everything that has been shared from the listing agent. You can send this property to a friend or a spouse here, and you can also ask us questions about the property here. Simply fill out the form sharing your name, email, message, phone number, and select Submit. You go back to the map search. You can continue browsing through available properties. Another feature, especially interesting if you are with your mobile phone, you can hit this Locate Me, and it will bring you to your location. As you can see, I'm in Perm. You can zoom out. It's very interesting if you're on a lake, for example, and you hit the Locate Me button to find details on a property that you saw for sale. We hope that this little tutorial helped you to easily navigate through Lakes Country and do your property searches. If you have questions, feel free to contact us. You can simply call us or you can email us with your inquiry. We look forward to hearing from you and speaking to you. Remember, we know a place for you. Chivers Realty, Detroit Lakes.